Zach and I are hiking today. And where are we hiking? Do you know? It's the Boyden Wildlife Refuge. Can you say that? Boyden Wildlife Refuge. And that's in Taunton, Massachusetts. So let's go. We got all this equipment. We're ridiculously packed up for this. So here we go. Zach has chosen this trail to go down. So let's see what it leads us to and take some scenery video as we go. All right, and on this trail right away we have the fragrance garden, which is right down here. And it looks like we have some remnants of a stone wall. Come on, Zach, let's go check this out, okay?
Okay.
All right. You having fun?
Yeah.
This is a garden.
Yeah.
You want to go check it out?
Sure. That's nice.
Yeah. We got flowers coming up.
Oh, you can go inside.
Go ahead. You smell?
Oh, look, some flowers.
You smell flowers and stuff? Yeah, there's some flowers there.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Those little tree stumps like looks like a stool. Why not go on there, buddy?
Okay.
Try sitting on there. How you feeling?
Good.
You like your hiking trip?
Yep.
Okay. All right, should we go further?
Yep.
Okay. Low clearance. Having fun?
I'm having fun.
All right. All right, all right, all right. Oh, smiling wave. Awesome. That is called the 3 Mile River, I believe.
Oh,
So, must be 3 miles, huh?
nice.
Yeah. So Zach's leading us down a trail here at the Boyden Wildlife Refuge here in Taunton, Massachusetts. A lot of trees down from storms and everything, but you can't complain about the weather, can you, Zach?
No.
No. It's pretty nice. So which way are we going? Do you know?
No.
It looks like we're going north. Can you see that green arrow? That's pointing north. That's the way back to the parking lot. So that's the way we want to go. Good job, bud. So we're still hiking the back trails here. We just went through a trail in the woods. Now some of these trails are actually not well maintained. Not that they should be, because I read that before coming here. But we actually saw remnants of someone having a fire in a campsite here. We got a small puddle coming up ahead. So Zach, let's just cross this puddle. We're gonna go to this side. Okay, stay out of the water.
And look what we're going on my watch.
Yeah, you got a compass on that. The paracord from Big Blue Mountain. Okay, go around the side, but just a couple trees down. That's it. That's the Indiana Jones part of this trip, right? All right, keep going straight.
But there's mud there.
No, go straight right there. You're fine. Keep going straight. You got it. Good job. And that's it. Mud pit is vanquished. All right, Zach, which way are we going, bud?
Look.
Still going west, right?
Mm-hmm.
You like your compass?
Mm-hmm.
That's an awesome compass. Zach, which way are we going now?
Look.
Between the S and the W, so that means southwest. Take a little break here at the Boyden Wildlife Refuge here in Taunton, Massachusetts. Are you enjoying hiking?
Yep.
Yeah? What's your favorite part so far?
I love doing everything and I love walking.
Love walking? Yeah. So we're taking the south trail, which is going straight down the Boyden Wildlife Refuge here in Taunton, Massachusetts. And this path's been clear, so doing a nice job here. Zach, are you still enjoying this?
Yep.
All right, you got your compass?
Yep.
It clearly shows that we're going south, which is good. Which way's the parking lot again?
Straight.
Not straight, what do we call it?
North.
North, which is actually back of us, so. I'm trying to teach Zachary how to do the basics of a compass and how to tell direction, so.
Yeah.
But we're having fun.
Yep.
He's a little tired, I'm not tired, but we're getting there, so we're gonna just enjoy. Good job, bud. Those pockets on that jacket really come in handy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You zipper that back up after you put it in there, okay?
Let's check my compass.
Yeah. Do you want to check your compass again?
Yep.
All right. You gotta stop when you take a reading though, right? Stop. We are going west. I was hiking.
Good.
Yeah. This is the 3 Mile River right behind you, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice scenery.
Yeah.
Maybe we got some fish in there. Who knows? But you want to keep hiking? Okay, let's go. All right, Zach, what direction are we going in? We're going south. So let's keep going south.
Okay,
You got some stone stuff over there?
What is that?
I have no clue. It just looks like it's cinder blocks. So, all right, bud. Okay, another tree branch to go over, bud. There you go. Go slow.
Giddy up, horsey.
You gonna ride it like a horse? Yeah, that's very stable. A lot of tree damage here, huh?
Yeah.
In the storms?
Yeah.
Yeah. But nothing you can't handle, right? All right. All right, lead us to the river, Zach. What do you got? Oh, you want to put it in your pocket?
Sure, I want to keep it.
Okay, put it in the other pocket. There you go. And then you keep that rock, and you always remember the Boyden Wildlife Refuge, Taunton, Massachusetts. Something tells me we're near some type of waterfall. If you hear water rushing in the distance. Hey, Zach, why don't you go check that out, bud? I'll follow you. So we just conquered that hill. We went right down it. Trekology trekking pole has definitely helped us on that. Adventure awaits. Just stay on the path and watch out for rocks, okay? Okay. Well, look at that.
Well, it's still going.
It's a waterfall. Watch out. It's where you're walking still. What do you think?
That's going right here.
Okay, don't go past that wall though. That's rushing pretty good, huh?
Wow.
What do you think?
Good.
Well, it's sunny here too, huh? Yeah. A lot of water. All right, look at the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, we hit a waterfall.
Wow.
That is impressive. Got lots of dogs in this trail too. It's nice dogs. Yeah. Pretty sure that they don't allow campfires here, but you can clearly see that some people must come here after hours and do some fire starting, shall we call it, right, Zach?
Yeah.
All right, let's keep going. So the waterfall, we're hiking for a while. You took a big hill for the first time. I was so proud of you. How do we feel?
Good.
All right, put your little rock back on. Don't do anything else, all right?
Okay.
We have to come back here someday. We'll see this again, okay?
Okay.
And you'll be like, hey, I put my rock there, all right? All right, let's go, bud. So now Zach has my little Waze app out there to see how far we are from the car. We're not that far. There's a river on our left now because we're heading due north. So Zach, why not keep continuing on the path, bud?
Okay.
We found the cabin.
Yeah, we found the cabin. Let's go inside and see what.
All right, let's go take a look at it. The entrance is on the other side, bud.
Let's go inside
You have to be really careful here, though, okay? Okay, step up.
here. Hey.
Okay, step up there. Be careful. Here we go. Yeah, there's a lot of junk, but you know, it's a cabin. What do you want? You know?
Never mind.
All right. You want to take a picture with it? Let's keep going, okay? So Zach, did you like the Boyden Wildlife Refuge? Think we should just hike again? Because we're almost out of here. The parking lot's right over there. You want to say bye to everybody?
Bye.
And hopefully we'll see you on another hiking trek. So Zach, I just want to say I'm very proud of you, and I appreciate you going hiking with me, okay?
Okay.
Do you think we're going to do more of this in the future?
Sure.
Okay, and I love you very much.
Bye. See you soon.